How to reset Target REDcard password or login. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we will learn how we can reset Target REDcard password or login. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So for that, what you have to do is you have to head over to the login page of Target REDcard. For that, open up a Google and in the search bar search for Target REDcard. Then navigate to the first link on your interface. That's gonna take you to this page. To log in, head over to profile icon, then tap on sign in or create account. So once you're here, you have two options. Whether you can sign in with passkey or your email. So first of all, enter your email, then tap on continue. Now to change your password, tap on forget password just below sign in with password. So from here it says we will send a code to your email so that you can get back into your account. Then tap on send code. Now you have to enter the code that is sent into your email. So check in your inbox, then type in the code right here. Then tap on verify. And once you're verified, you'll be prompted to reset your password. Change your password and then you'll be able to log in into Target again. So that's it. That's how you can reset your REDcard password, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.